6.5 years is what she's put in here, non-stop other than traveling breaks and stuff. Knows her content very well. She is my third female ever promoted. It was Molly and then Andy and now you. And you are my, if you don't mind me saying it, my first older female ever promoted. So I want everybody to give her a hand. A lot of hard work, but you just turn around and untie your belt and then you'll bow and walk back in. Sensei, come forward, please. Valerie, we usually have frames, but I can't find a 1 in Withville. It's an 11 by 18. Cannot find one. I usually frame it and everything, and I've been looking for days. So it's not going to happen without a frame. I'll have to let you do that. Congratulations. Say gold. And it's brand new belt, so it's going to have a mind of its own. Okay. Sensei just the same. Okay. Make sure we've got your name and everything still. All right. If you want to face, stay full standing behind.